I cleaned this only 3 weeks ago, but with high humidity, pollution levels, with ozone, particulate matter in the air, it's got to get cleaned again. Now I'm holding this against a white shower curtain, and you see that brown, kind of black brown smudges there on the grill, on the fabric there. Well, we're gonna make that white. Again, that's only after 3 weeks, about running at half that time. It's amazing, the junk that comes out of the air, huh? I might use something like Dawn Cuts Grease, and I'm gonna clean this in the tub. Let's go. Get that wet with warm water, and then I'm just gonna suds that up. Guys, you can also use white vinegar. I've used white vinegar before washing this stuff, and again, that white vinegar emulsifies stuff, which is a very good cleaning agent. I've used it successfully, but this Dawn is a good product as well. Anything that's going to remove grease or dirt, get in there. Be very careful though as you're handling this stuff, because they make these so cheaply, and I've done other videos about that, how these filters can break so easily. So just use care as you're going around, and don't tweak it any which way. And flip that over and do the same to the other side. Because this is a mesh fabric, what I like to do is go in one direction and then the opposite direction, just to make sure you're lifting all that dirt and particulate matter, just grime, pollution. You can even see, look at that water, it's dark. I'll come back and I rinse that again. So check that out against the white shower curtain again. Wow, what a difference. All right, friends, I'm putting the filter back in my LG 6200 BTU AC. Now my clean filter light is staying on, and the quick way to fix that is to just filter reset, press the temp up and down buttons simultaneously. The light goes off. Thanks for watching, friends. Stay cool.